Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us. In this video, we will discuss the term Golden Age. Introduction. The notion of a golden age has been a recurring theme in various cultures throughout history, representing an idealized and idyllic period of human existence. The term finds its origin in the works of the ancient Greek poet Hesiod, particularly in his poem Works and Days, believed to be composed in the 8th century BC. This video explores the concept of the Golden Age in literature, its evolution through different cultures, and its significance as a symbol of human longing for a perfect and utopian past. In Hesiod's Works and Days, the Golden Age represents the earliest and most prosperous era of human history, characterized by harmony, abundance, and blissful living. During this time, humans were believed to live in harmony with nature, free from suffering and strife. The concept of the Golden Age reflects a longing for an ideal past and serves as a stark contrast to the present condition of humanity, marked by decline, struggle, and imperfection. The mythical progression of ages. In addition to the Golden Age, Hesiod introduces the idea of successive ages, each marked by a gradual decline in human virtue and happiness. These ages are described as the Silver Age, the Bronze Age, and the Iron Age. As humanity moves from one age to another, there is a sense of regression, with the Iron Age symbolizing the current state of moral degradation and hardship. The influence of Greek and Roman writers. The concept of the Golden Age spread beyond Hesiod's works and found resonance in the writings of various Greek and Roman authors. Ovid's Metamorphoses and Virgil's Eclogues also explore the idea of the Golden Age, presenting it as a period of pastoral simplicity and natural harmony. The influence of these ancient writers contributed to the enduring appeal of the Golden Age as a literary and cultural motif. The Renaissance revival of the Golden Age. During the Renaissance, the theme of the Golden Age experienced a revival, with writers like Thomas More and Sir Philip Sidney incorporating the concept into their works. The Golden Age became a symbol of nostalgia and a critique of the contemporary world, emphasizing the longing for a lost paradise and a return to a more virtuous and tranquil existence. The Golden Age in modern literature. In modern literature, the notion of the Golden Age has been reinterpreted and adapted to reflect changing cultural and social contexts. While the core idea of an idealized past remains, contemporary writers use the concept to explore themes of disillusionment, alienation, and the search for meaning in an increasingly complex and fragmented world. Conclusion. The concept of the Golden Age continues to captivate the human imagination, serving as a timeless symbol of human aspirations for a utopian past. From its origins in ancient Greek literature to its reinterpretation in modern works, the Golden Age represents a powerful motif that resonates with the human longing for a simpler, more harmonious existence. As long as humans yearn for the idealized past, the Golden Age will persist as a compelling and enduring theme in literature. So this was the discussion on the term the Golden Age. If you have any doubts or questions, you can ask in the comments section. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.